Hello students, this is a class for BA Part First. We will be studying one more literary term, pun. I am your English teacher, Dr. Anil Dadhij. If we would like to define pun, pun is a literary device that is also known as a play on words. It plays on words. Puns involve words with similar or identical sounds but with different meanings. Their play on words also relies on a word or phrase having more than one meaning. हिंदी में कई बार आप उसको यमक अलंकार के नाम से भी जानते हैं, जो सिमिलर और आइडेंटिकल साउंड के वर्ड्स होते हैं लेकिन उनके मीनिंग डिफरेंट होते हैं. जैसे कनक कनकते सोगुनी, इसमें कनक कनक दो बार है और मीनिंग दोनों बार डिफरेंट है. सो और दूसरा, कई बार श्लेष अलंकार के नाम से भी इसको जाना जाता है हिंदी में. श्लेष मीन्स चिपका हुआ, यानी देर आर मोर देन वन मीनिंग of a single word in English. So that is also called pun. Puns are generally intended to be humorous, but they often have a serious purpose as well as in literary works. Let us see some examples of pun in literature. A pun can be an effective literary device. Here are some examples of puns in well known literary works, along with how they add to interpretation. Means, I would also try to interpret these puns. First example is taken from a play or a drama written by Oscar Wilde, and the title of the drama is The Importance of Being Earnest. It's a very humorous kind of play, and this dialogue is spoken by a lady. The dialogue I read: to lose one parent, Mr. Worthing, may be regarded as a misfortune. To lose both looks like carelessness. Oscar Wilde was a master of wordplay, and this line from his play Importance of Being Earnest reflects his dexterity, means kushalta, skillfulness, when it comes to pun as a literary device. Of course, Oscar Wilde is playing on the dual meaning of lose. In its first mention, lose is used in the context of suffering, loss because of death. Let us see the dialogue. To lose one parent means to lose one parent by death, because of death, may be regarded as a misfortune. It is definitely, if you lose your parent, one parent, as a misfortune, will be a misfortune to us. Okay. So the first meaning to the word lose is losing or suffering loss through death. In its second mention, lose is used in the context of misplacing something. आपने कोई चीज इधर उधर रख दी ऐसे. To lose both means both the parents. आपके माँ बाप दो होते हैं ना, तो एक माँ या एक मतलब मदर और फादर. इफ यू लूज वन, इट्स ए मिसफॉर्चून, बट टू लूज बोथ. और यहाँ पे ये अगला जो लिखा है टू लूज मीन्स टू मिसप्लेस, जैसे उन्होंने कहीं इधर उधर रख दिया और अब रख के भूल गए, वैसा. टू लूज बोथ द पेरेंट्स लुक्स लाइक केयरलेसनेस. वो ऐसे लगता है जैसे यू आर केयरलेस. तो लूज इज यूज इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ सफरिंग थ्रू डेथ इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट, लेकिन in its second mention, lose is used in the context of misplacing something. There is layered humor provided by the pun in this line. Humor है इसमें. कैसे? The reader understands that Mr. Worthing has lost one parent to death, and the suggestion that the loss of both his parents is due to misplacement reflects dark humor. In addition, Whilst use of the word carelessness is clever wording as well, the idea that the speaker is poking fun at death also emphasizes the speaker's lack of care and therefore carelessness with these words. So, this is, you can say, multifold fun put in this single line by Oscar Wilde. And when the more you read this line, the more you laugh or the more you get tickled. Example second is taken from William Shakespeare's play Romeo and Juliet. Ask for me tomorrow, and you shall find me a grave man. William Shakespeare is known for his clever use of puns for comic effects. Yet he also utilized this literary device as a means of enhancing tragic and ironic circumstances as well. This particular dialogue is an example of enhancing tragic and ironic circumstance. Romeo's dear friend Mercutio is stabbed by Tybalt. रोमियो का मित्र है मर्क्यूशियो और उसको चाकू मार दिया गया है, मरने वाला है, टाइबोल्ट ने चाकू मारा है. एंड ही मेक्स दिस स्टेटमेंट, मर्क्यूशियो मेक्स दिस स्टेटमेंट ड्यूरिंग हिज डेथ सीन. शेक्सपियर क्रिएट्स ए प्ले ऑन द वर्ड ग्रेव. यहाँ जो ग्रेव शब्द है उस पर प्ले ऑन वर्ड है, पन है, दैट एड्स ए लेवल ऑफ ट्रेजेडी एंड सेंस ऑफ आयरनी टू मर्क्यूशियोज डेथ. Let us try to find out how. Mercutio's pun relies on the dual meaning of the word grave. As an adjective, grave describes something that is serious or solemn. Grave के दो मीनिंग होते हैं. एक grave means serious or very solemn kind of. This meaning fits with Mercutio's statement as being stabbed is certainly a grave event. It's a serious event. अगर आपको चाकू लगाए तो definitely it's a serious event. It's a grave event. As a noun, grave indicates a place of burial for a dead body. कब्र को कहते हैं नाउन के रूप में अगर ग्रेव को देखें तो. एंड मोर स्पेसिफिकली द एरिया डग इन द ग्राउंड फॉर इंटरमेंट. इंटरमेंट मीन्स आपको जब कब्र के अंदर डाला जाता है उसको इंटरमेंट कहते हैं, रखना कब्र में. तो दिस मीनिंग ऑल्सो फिट्स विद मर्क्यूशियोज सिचुएशन एज हिज स्टैब वाउंड इज फैटल. फैटल मीन्स जो जानलेवा हो, दैट इज फैटल. तो हिज स्टैब, चाकू का जो वार है, जो वाउंड है, वुंड है, घाव जो है, दैट इज फैटल, डेथ टेकिंग है. Therefore, Mercutio's pun is a play on words that enhances what has happened to him, befallen him, as well as the outcome. क्यों? क्योंकि क्या कहता है, आस्क फॉर मी टुमारो, जब कल मेरे बारे में बात करोगे तो यू शैल फाइंड मी ए ग्रेव मैन, कि मैं बहुत सीरियस मेरे साथ हुआ या मैं कब्र में दफन आदमी हूँ. इस तरह से यू कैन फाइंड टू मीनिंग्स out of this single word grave. One more example I would like to take from Merchant of Venice. In the last scene of Merchant of Venice, all the characters have gathered together in Portia's palace, and Portia is happily married now. She is happy that they have won the case. और अब वो एक कैंडल लेकर के सामने आती है और पोर्शिया अपने हस्बैंड बेसेनियो को एड्रेस करती है, लेट मी गिव लाइट. कैंडल है उसके हाथ में एंड शी सेज लेट मी गिव लाइट बट लेट मी नॉट बी लाइट. ये लाइट और लाइट, लाइट पहली लाइट मीन्स प्रकाश से मतलब है, लेकिन दूसरी लाइट का मतलब क्या है, हल्का, मीन होना. फॉर लेट मी नॉट बी लाइट, आई विल नॉट बी लाइट. वाई? For means because a light wife doth make a heavy husband and never be Bassanio so for me. My Bassanio, my husband, should never be a heavy husband for me. Here, Portia means to say, I will give light to men. Means, I will provide light to all the men present there as there is darkness. अंधेरा है, early morning scene है. but I will never be light, or light means unchaste. So, here Portia means to say, I will give light to men, but I will never be light for or unchaste. Light का एक और मीनिंग जो है वो क्या है? Unchaste. An unfaithful wife makes a husband worry, and I will never let Bassanio, my husband, worry if I can help it. I hope God figures it all out. Welcome home, my husband. This we can see a play of words on heavy and light. First, light means to provide light so that there is no darkness. Second time, the word light means loose of character or unchaste. So, this is all about pun. Pun means basically playing with words. Okay, so it's an interesting you can say device जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स भी हो सकते हैं और एक ही वर्ड के भी अलग अलग मीनिंग हो सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.